Everyone asks the same question in the morning. What's the best fruit to eat on an empty stomach? Because after hearing what to avoid, now you want to know what actually helps your body, not harms it. The answer might surprise you, because it's not banana and it's not apple. Your stomach in the morning is like a reset button. Whatever you eat first affects digestion for the whole day, impacts energy levels, and even controls cravings later on. That's why choosing the right fruit in the morning matters more than people think. The best fruit to eat on an empty stomach is papaya. Here's why. Papaya contains enzymes that support digestion, reduce bloating, and gently wake up your gut. It's low in acidity and easy to digest, perfect for a sleeping stomach. Let me tell you about Anna, a 36-year-old working mom from Texas. She used to start her day with coffee and toast. She felt bloated, tired, and hungry again by 10 a.m. Then, she made a simple switch. She switched to warm water and a small bowl of papaya. Within 2 weeks, everything changed. Better digestion, less bloating, more stable energy. No supplements, no diet trend, just timing. Other fruits work well if eaten correctly. Apple, better after breakfast, not immediately. Banana, only if paired with nuts or oats. And pear, good, but in small quantity. Crossmark citrus fruits like orange, not ideal first thing in the morning. And fruit juice, worse than whole fruit. Here's a simple routine. Drink warm water, eat papaya, wait 20 to 30 minutes, then eat breakfast. This routine is used by nutritionists worldwide. Remember, there's no bad fruit, only bad timing. What fruit do you eat in the morning? Comment below. I read every one. See you in the next video.